it's Missy Sue. Today I'm so excited to be sharing my morning routine along with how I got this really pretty half-up hairstyle. So I hope you enjoy the video and let's get started. First thing in the morning, I like to hop into the shower so my hair is fresh and clean, and I'm using the TRESemmé Moisture Rich Vitamin E shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair. I picked these up at Kroger and love using them because they're formulated to help hydrate dry, damaged hair like mine, so it's always soft and shiny. And then once I hop out of the shower, I like to blow dry my hair and use the Conair 1.5 inch curling iron to curl the ends of my hair. For today's style, I'm going to start by parting my hair on the right side, and then spray my part with the TRESemmé Tray 2 Firm Control Hairspray to smooth down any flyaways. I picked this up at Kroger as well and love using this because it's a flexible anti-frizz hairspray that never leaves my hair sticky or stiff. Then I'm going to create a Dutch fishtail braid, so I'm taking a small section near the part and dividing it into two sections, and I'm just going to cross small sections under to the opposite side while adding new hair into the braid until it reaches my left temple. And then I'm going to stop adding in new sections and just continue the braid down to the ends, and then slide a bobby pin over the bottom. Then I'm going to grab the TRESemmé hairspray and spray the braid before smoothing down the edges so there aren't any flyaways sticking out. Now I can go back over the braid, pulling on the edges to make it bigger, and then I'm going to pin the braid at the back of my head. Now I'm going to pick up a section on the right side of my head, twist it upwards, pull on the bottom to make it a little bit fuller, lay it underneath the fishtail braid, and then pin it in place with bobby pins. Then to set everything in place, I'm just going to spray it with the TRESemmé Tray 2 Firm Control Hairspray. I really hope you enjoyed this video and seeing my current morning routine. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you next time.